Control your Tesla from your wrist. As of December 2025, the Tesla app fully supports Apple Watch integration through watchOS complications. To get started, download the Tesla app from the App Store on your iPhone. The Watch app installs automatically if your Apple Watch is paired. Log in via the iPhone app using your Tesla account credentials. The Watch inherits this login through iCloud syncing. Complications allow quick access to key functions like checking battery level, locking the vehicle, and controlling climate settings. First, ensure you have the Tesla app on your iPhone from the App Store. If your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone, the Tesla Watch app will automatically install. No separate download is needed. Log in to the Tesla app on your iPhone using your Tesla account. The Watch app will inherit this login seamlessly through iCloud syncing. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 17 Plus and your Apple Watch is on watchOS 10 Plus. Tesla's Apple Watch integration primarily works through complications, customizable widgets on your watch face. These complications display key app data without needing to open the full app. You can use them to check battery level, remotely start your car, lock or unlock doors, and even summon your vehicle, all with secure authentication through Tesla's API. Tap a complication to open the Watch app for more detailed controls. The Tesla Apple Watch app uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to communicate with your vehicle, not cellular data directly. Authentication via Tesla's API ensures secure access to your vehicle functions. Complications refresh in real time when you're near your car for instant updates. Voice-activated climate controls via Siri were added in October 2025, enhancing hands-free operation. Many Tesla owners use the Apple Watch to monitor their Model Y's battery level during daily commutes. This helps avoid range anxiety by providing real-time updates on charge status right on their wrist. Owners often save 2 to 3 minutes each day by unlocking their Tesla directly from their Apple Watch instead of using their phone. This convenience is especially useful when carrying groceries or in a hurry. The Supercharger Finder complication, introduced in 2024, displays nearby superchargers with current wait times. During road trips, this helps drivers optimize their charging stops and reduce unnecessary delays. Tesla taxi services are adopting watch complications to allow drivers to check vehicle status hands-free. This enables quicker responses to passenger needs and more efficient fleet operations. Experts from sources like MacRumors and Tesla forums consistently praise the Tesla Watch app for its simplicity and accessibility. They note that it democratizes EV control, allowing users to manage their vehicles without overwhelming app interfaces. App Store reviews reflect this positive reception, with the Tesla app maintaining a strong 4.8-star rating overall. Furthermore, 90% of user reviews specifically highlight the watch complications as a major positive feature, emphasizing their usefulness for quick vehicle checks. A recent report shows that 25% of Apple Watch users who own Teslas actively use complications daily, up from 15% the previous year. This demonstrates the app's growing popularity and adoption among Tesla owners. Some users experience connectivity issues, particularly during iOS or watchOS beta testing periods. These problems usually resolve with stable software updates. Always keep your Tesla app updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. If complications aren't updating, verify Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Also check that Wi-Fi is active on your Apple Watch for reliable connectivity. For temporary glitches, restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch to refresh connections. These steps should resolve most connectivity and update issues with your Tesla app on Apple Watch. The trend is towards greater wearable tech integration with EV management, including AI-driven features like predictive charging alerts. Eco-friendly integrations, such as complications for solar panel monitoring, are also emerging. Future updates may include standalone Apple Watch apps that offer limited functionality without an iPhone. Experts predict increased use of complications for commercial Tesla fleets and a high adoption rate among Tesla owners by 2028.